Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you know which shutdown method applies. Open the Google Home app and make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. This lets you send commands. Once done, check the thermostat display for current temperature, schedules, and modes. Write them down or take a photo so you can restore settings later. Now, tap the thermostat card in the app to enter controls. This is the first actionable step toward turning it off. You now perform the shutdown. In Google Home, tap the thermostat, then Settings, and choose Power or System Mode to set to off. If you prefer on-device control, press the thermostat ring to open Settings, navigate to System, and select Off. This ensures the HVAC stops immediately. If your unit is a Nest model linked to the Nest app, make the same change there so cloud state matches local state. Make sure to wait a few seconds after each change to confirm the unit responds. Finish by confirming the display reads off and that the HVAC system is idle for 2 to 3 minutes. This proves the command took effect. If the thermostat stays active, force close and reopen the Google Home app or restart your router to resolve cloud sync issues. This often fixes communication delays. If the device is unresponsive, consider a soft reboot or, as a last resort, a factory reset after you back up schedules and settings. This is only necessary when other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.